Located in the iconic Vermont village of North Ferrisburgh Hollow, this 4-bedroom Italianate Victorian has been meticulously renovated and restored. Built originally for the village doctor, every corner of the property tells a story of its vibrant history and the loving restoration undertaken by its current owners. Upon entering, you're greeted by rich wood flooring and exquisite crown molding, accenting the home's spacious interiors. The kitchen's a chef's dream, blending modern functionality into this historic home. The elegant dining room is ideal for gatherings and memorable family dinners. Ascend to the second level where the grandeur continues in the primary bedroom suite, complete with a full bath and walk-in closet. The additional bedrooms showcase vintage wide pine floors and share access to a well-appointed second bathroom. An extension in the back of the home includes a full workshop that's ready for your next project. Additionally, the property includes a 1-bedroom apartment with a private entrance, perfect for guests or as a rental opportunity. Set on 1.4 acres and graced by mature trees and a lovely stone patio, this exquisite home is a true find that cannot be duplicated. This property is a mere 10-minute drive from Charlotte and only a 30-minute commute to Burlington for work or taking in a show at the Flynn or an evening out on the town. This historic residence is more than just a house. It's a piece of Vermont's legacy waiting to be your new home. Schedule a private tour today.